everyone! Quiz Helper again. This time with a new advanced tutorial for a quiz timer bar in Canva. If you're looking for a basic timer bar tutorial, please check out my channel. Here you will find many more quiz-related videos to bring your YouTube quizzes to the next level. While you're there, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's check out the tutorial. First, log into Canva and create a new landscape video. Then, add an abstract video to set as the background. I chose a Twinkling Stars video from the Elements menu. Next, add a rounded square shape into the canvas and shape it to your desired timer bar shape. I added a white stroke and made the main color transparent. I also made sure to round the corners to the maximum amount and center the shape. Back on the Elements page, I searched for a diagonal stripe video and dragged it onto the canvas. Make sure that the position of the timer bar shape is above all other shapes and videos. Resize the striped video to fit with the custom shape you created. Next, while the cropped striped video is selected, click on Animate on the toolbar, then choose Custom Animation. Hold Shift while moving the striped video to keep it steady. Set the movement style to steady, and adjust the speed to your liking. Make sure all elements are aligned in the timeline, and verify the outcome. Once satisfied, export your video. On a new video canvas, insert the downloaded video and crop it to fit the timer bar shape. Now here's an example of what it could look like. And there you have it! An advanced timer bar tutorial for Canva. Make sure and use your creativity to make a unique and amazing timer bar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video.